It's nice, dog. I don't think I've ever seen one. Guys, this is my dream car.
You're gonna get one, bro. You have to.
Hey. It sounds so good, bro. I've never driven a GTR, bro. I don't know. Maybe we'll be driving a GTR right now. I'm about to drive a GTR for the first time. I don't know what to do, bro. Oh my god, bro. That shit pulls, dude. Bro, that has to be my next car, Kevin. It's perfect, dude. That was the first GTR I've ever driven. My freaking dream car, to be honest. I want a GTR, bro. God damn, that shit's beautiful. One day, I'll be cruising on all these dudes. So many GTRs, dude. Guys, I'm in heaven, bro. This is what heaven looks like for me. Wow, dude. That is beautiful. I think I would choose this. That is a sick GTR, all black. I want one. Everyone comments that every time I see a GTR, but fuck, I want one. Look at that shit. I'm telling you, this is my next year's goal, dude. I swear to God. Guys, my real goal, like I set a goal, bro. Like I set a goal to buy a GTR on my birthday. It's in March.
When you set it, bro, you have a day and a goal. Now you have to.
Yeah. The most fun time I've ever had in my life. That's my dream car, bro. Damn. See, I think I could get used to starting a vlog like this. This GTR just happens to be here. Maybe it's a sign, I don't know. This is how my garage is about to look though, when I got both these in it. Salt Lake City, Utah. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Finally getting a time to start the vlog, but we made it to Salt Lake City. We took off from LAX this morning. Today I'm buying my dream car. As you can tell, I'm being super safe because it is super scary. You guys know everything that's going on around the world right now. Super scary. The airport's the last place I want to be, to be honest, but I had to do it. I had to come get this car. I got the mask, I got the beanie. I even had gloves on, but I just took them off. But I'm being super safe, guys, and I hope you guys are too. Also, why I haven't been posting any videos, I'm sorry, but hopefully some new content soon. This might be my biggest and most favorite video ever though. Look at this guy. Mood. Anyways, guys, today is the day. Today we're picking up my dream car. I actually hope everything's good with the car. I haven't seen it in person. It's a big risk just flying out here and to buy a car, and I haven't even seen it or drove it or test drove it, none of that. But I've been in contact with this guy for probably over a month now, and we got it checked by Nissan at the Nissan dealership out here in Utah. They checked it out. They went over the whole thing. They said everything is good. All I needed was like an alignment, which we got that done, and we're finally gonna see it for the first time. I'm excited. Hopefully everything turns out great. Hopefully it drives great. Hopefully it sounds great. Hopefully we drive home tonight with the new car. I can't wait. It's gonna be a long drive, about 8.5 hours. Oh my god, bro. This shit is too nice. Wow. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, dude. GTR. This is the sickest GTR I've ever seen. I'm not even gonna lie. Like literally the sickest GTR ever.
Like program it any way you want. I mean, I usually have it on this until the temperatures are up. If you want to get on the freeway, go right. It's the quicker way to get there. Get on it. Like it's as fast from 90 to 120 as it is 60 to 90.
A few moments later.
It's mine, guys. I bought it. Look at this. Hold on, let me find the keys. Look at this, guys. I literally bought a GTR. I'm shaking, bro. This is crazy. Like what? Finally. Now you guys don't have to hear me saying, I want a GTR, I want a GTR. I want that car. Now I actually bought it and it's mine. And this is literally the sickest looking GTR I've ever seen. Like, it's perfect already and it's completely stock, but it's literally perfect. Oh my God, bro. So much content coming. You like it, Dad?
Like it. It's good.
My dad's about to drive it home too. We have to switch on. Bro.
It's like blurry, but it's so sick.
Bro, it's so sick, dude.
Crazy. It looks really good.
I'm a gap stand watch. Guys, look at this. Oh my God. Oh, I'm scared to even drive it, dude. It does not feel real. Look it.
That looks like a GTR seat, bro.
Bro.
You crazy fucker.
I bought it, dude.
Mine didn't, bro.
You like it?
No way, bro.
Look it. Bro, it's the sickest GTR I've ever seen. Like, you like it?
Hell yeah, that's sick, bro.
Dude, it's crazy.
3 years, 4 years, bro.
I know, bro. I've been talking about it forever.
That's crazy, bro. Hell yeah, I'm proud of you, bro. That's sick as fuck.
I know, dude. It's crazy. I can't, bro. It doesn't even feel like it's my car. Probably, maybe tomorrow I'll feel like it, but not right now.
You feel like you're renting it right now?
I feel like I'm renting a car. It's about to be raining the whole way home, I think. First gas station fill up. Oh my God, the car's getting dirty. Look how dirty this is, dude. When we get back, I'm gonna get it fully detailed, but oh my God, dude, this does not seem real. I don't even know when it's gonna hit me. Maybe when I get home and wake up tomorrow. Sorry I'm not vlogging much. I'm just trying to get this 8-hour drive out the way, but as soon as I get home, I'll talk to you guys more about the car, tell you guys my thoughts on it. But all I can say right now is I'm in love. It's the sickest GTR that I've ever seen. I love it, dude. Dude, it's already loud and it's the stock exhaust. My dad's driving it now. We're in Las Vegas. GTR looking beautiful. Oh my God, it's so dirty though. Look at all the bugs we killed. And then the side is where it gets really bad. We've been through rain, like slushy rain. It's been crazy, but once we get it back home, I'm gonna get it all detailed and clean. 100% stock. It's never been modified at all, which is a huge thing that I wanted. Like, this car is literally the perfect GTR I've ever found on the internet. I've literally been trying to get this exact car for the past 2 months, since January. I tried to do it perfect time for my birthday. Unfortunately, we're a month late, but not even a month, probably 2 weeks late. But technically, I did put money down on this car on my birthday. So my goal was to buy this GTR on my birthday, and I made it happen. It's freaking crazy. I wanted an all black GTR. I found it, all black. One owner, very low miles. It's a black edition GTR, if I haven't mentioned that yet. Black edition. There's Vegas. Too bad we can't stop.
Is this your car?
We made it.
Is this your car?
Oh my God, I'm home.
Oh my God.
A GTR.
Oh
My mom. I don't know if you guys heard that shit.
What did she say?
What'd you say, Mom?
You're home with a motherfucking GTR.
Look at the taillights.
Oh my gosh, that's insane.
Oh, dude. Like it, Mom?
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Oh my God.
You like it, Mom?
Yeah, I can't wait to drive it.
Nah. No, I want to do a video where I take you for a ride and then
no,
you take me for a ride.
I'll die.
Rev it, Mom. It sounds nice, huh? It's already loud and it's all stock. Like, that's so crazy.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Be
Mom.
careful, there could be people people or dogs or something.
I know that. I'm safe. It's crazy, huh?
Yes.
Oh shit.
Nick, seriously, Nick. Nick, stop. Nick, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, Nick, you have to film a video with her. Like a full video.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna pee my pants. I'm not
Mom, are you being for real?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Rick!
Finally got a car.
You finally got a real
car.
Oh my. Where's the Mustang, food?
Nah.
Let's fix it.
Don't even try it.
Glitters.
It is. I swear in the sun, it's like super like.
So nice, huh?
Like the back.
It's so nice. I can't believe this shit, dog.
Finally. Ooh, I feel like you're renting it.
That's what I said. Oh shit. Bro, it's loud, huh? Alright guys, it is now the next day. I just woke up and I'm sitting in the car.
Weather alert. Flash flood
Warning? What? Wow, I'm still learning so much new things about this car.
Warning.
So much more that I need to learn. I don't even know how to use these GTR things yet. I know if you put them all up, you can like launch the car. So much things we need to learn about this car still, but it's surreal, guys. Like everyone has been talking to me, all my friends are just telling me like, it's insane. Like they just can't believe it. And like, dude, just imagine me. Like I can't believe this, guys. Like this is the first time like finally alone from everybody and just sitting in the car. It's like, it's freaking surreal, bro. Like it's so crazy. I was telling everyone, it feels like I'm renting this shit. Like it does not seem real. This is mine. Like I bought this, I worked hard for this. Like I've been telling you guys, I've been dreaming about this car forever. Like the definition of a dream car. Like I dreamed about this car, bro. Like every time I see one on the road, you guys know this. I think you guys know this more than everyone else. That like every time I see this car at a meet, on the road, you guys are always making fun of me about it. But every time I see it, I'm like, I want that car. That's my dream car. I'm gonna get that car. And finally, guys, we got ourselves a GTR. I'm so excited. I'll tell you guys in a later video, like everything I really want to do to this car, like my vision and all that. But as of right now, like this is literally perfect. I don't even feel like changing anything. It's perfect as it is. And also I want to say thank you guys for all the love and support on everything. Like not just YouTube, but on Instagram, on YouTube, in the comments, smashing the like button on the videos, smashing the like on the Instagram, all the nice DMs I get. Like everyone's so supportive, so nice. I try to reply to every single person. Like I really try. I go through all my Instagram and YouTube comments, read every single one, like every single one. I just want to let you guys know that I'm super thankful for everything. Like every single person that has viewed one of my videos, have liked one of my videos, liked one of my Instagram photos, commented on one of my videos, commented on one of my Instagram photos, like all of that shit helps so much. And it's just so crazy. Like I'm super blessed. It's freaking insane. Like I can't believe it, bro. I literally can't believe it. What the fuck, dude? Everybody who grabbed something from the website, whether it was a hoodie, a t-shirt, or a sticker, like all of that shit helps so much. More than you guys think. Like everything like that helps. Even if it's just like liking a picture, like all of that helps, guys. So thank you. I appreciate all the love and support. Like it's freaking crazy. I don't know when this is gonna hit me that I have a GTR. Like I have a Nissan GTR, bro. What? It's so crazy. And I literally worked so hard for this. Like this is insane. I think like the best thing to do is just set a goal. Like I really set a goal to do this on my birthday. I think there's even a clip of me telling Alex, like when he let me drive his GTR, I literally sat here and I told him, I said, bro, my goal is to get a GTR on my birthday. And I said that about a year before my birthday. And I know every other YouTuber tells you guys this, everybody tells you, but like it's true. If you really want something and you work toward it, you can get it. Like just set your mind to it and like keep that at the end. Like everything in my mind was like, I'm gonna get a GTR, I'm gonna get a GTR, I'm gonna get that GTR, like I'm gonna do it by my birthday. Like I'm doing it no matter what. I kept telling myself like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, because like it felt like it was so far away. Like I did not in a million years think I was gonna get this car anytime soon, especially at this young age. Like I'm 23 years old, and just to be like having this car, like I'm telling you guys, I'm just feel super blessed. But like I said, like if you really want something, just set your mind to it and try everything possible to get it. Like just keep going until you get it. And now that I have it, that doesn't mean I just stop. Now we set a new goal. I really want to get a Lamborghini one day. I'm saying like within the next 5 years, I want to own a Lamborghini. That's my next goal. That's gonna be the next goal. But for now, let's enjoy this. I want to do a video doing a walk around, show you guys like really the details about this car. I haven't really talked much about it because I want to save it for the next video, but I'm gonna do a whole walk around video, tell you guys about it, tell you guys my thoughts. This is what I've been waiting for. I'm sorry there's been a delay on all the vlogs, but now we have a new car on the channel and so much content is on the way. So if you guys got any video ideas, comment down below. Any video ideas you guys have with the GTR, just let me know, comment down below. But please, everybody that's watching this video, smash the like button, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.